Oh, it's cold. Hello! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have something super exciting for you guys. It's more exciting for me, but I hope it's exciting for you. I decided to get a new camera. Why? Because I love spending money, and I wasn't making YouTube videos, so I was like, oh my god, why am I not making YouTube videos? Blah blah, I should get back on the grind, you know? And I got my first paycheck from YouTube, and like, it's exciting, and I was like, I should probably like start making more videos. Like, I decided to spend my money on a new camera. So let me order it on Amazon. And it was cheaper on Amazon. It was $549 versus $649 on Best Buy. I don't know why. Because it comes with a bundle. The Amazon one comes with a bundle. I'm gonna link it down below. So I don't know why. It's less expensive. It comes with more stuff. Hopefully the camera, good. I really hope. I saw all the reviews. Everyone was pretty happy with the camera. I ordered it on Friday night. Came Saturday. Like right before I was about to go to work. It came and I was so happy. I was like, I should save this for a video because why not, right? And my mom opened it. Every time I get a package, she's like, "What'd you order?" And I didn't tell her I ordered anything at all. So she was like, "Shit." I'm gonna show you guys what's like in it. This is what the bundle looks like. Brings a tripod. This is what it looks like. Let's look at the stuff it brings. It brings a tripod. I already have one, so this stuff is not like something I need. I was just going for like the quicker and cheaper option. Now it has a little bag, but it actually comes in handy. Like if I want to like record outside or something, I need my tripod. Yeah, I actually have an Amazon tripod, and it brings a 6-foot. It brings a 6-foot tangle-free video cable. Basically an HDMI. It brings, I don't know what this is. High quality dust cleaner blower. I don't know what I could do with this. This isn't, I don't know what this is. It doesn't say any names. It's just like a, camera, focus, what are you doing? It brings like this little pen thing. I don't actually know what it is. It looks literally like a pen. Oh, look! When you pull the little red thing down, it brings like a little duster. It's probably like to dust. Another dusting. I hope this is like no dusty camera. But that's cool. This part is cool. Okay, what else? It brings a high-speed, Sorry, let's go through. Okay, it brings a high-speed, high-capacity digital reader writer. I guess a USB. It's a USB. That's literally. It just looks like this. Oh, you can put You can put an SD card in this side, on this side, and this other side is a USB. Okay. All right. It brings a. I don't know what this is. Interesting. Oh, I ripped it. 6. Okay. Oh, these are like little to put your SD cards, I guess. Yep. It also brings a SD card. That's SanDisk Ultra. That's the one I have on my camera. The Ultra SanDisk. 64 gigabytes. It also brings a tripod, but like a mini one, which is actually so useful because I don't have one. I only have like my big Amazon one. No, I'm not gonna take that one to like vlog. Oh, this is cool. It kind of feels funny. It has like texture to it. That's, your camera goes over here, and then you're just like holding it to vlog. And you can place it down. It bends. And it actually feels so like sturdy. It doesn't feel like, this doesn't feel cheap. Like it feels like it's hard to like fix it and all that stuff. That's fire. I'm messing them up. I'm sorry. Well, this is combobulated. Alright, let's move on before I break something. It brings a cleaner, a little wipe for your camera. This is very useful. This makes me happy. It brings batteries. Oh, it brings batteries. And lastly, it brings a little bag for your camera, which I mean I should use, but like the reason why I don't even like carrying my big camera, like I just don't want bulkiness. Like I just rather just, you know, keep it small. But this is good. It brings a strap to like hold it. It's pretty good. Little side pockets and stuff. Okay, that's good. So here is the baby. Here's the baby. Here's the baby. So this is the PowerShot G7x Mark II. I was gonna get the 3, you know, because it's more new, and why would you spend money on an older camera? But the Mark III, I was watching the reviews and they weren't good. People were like really upset about the autofocus. Autofocus is kind of really important. So, yeah. Let's see. Okay, so let's start with what it has inside. It brings the charging pluggy thingy. It brings the charger where you have to charge your camera. That's where you charge the battery. I already have one because obviously my other camera. It brings a battery. Okay. It brings a strap. This is so important because your girl does not want to drop the camera. Okay. And this is where the camera is. It's like a little burrito. And we all love burritos. So that's amazing. Okay. Let's see. One's wrapped up. Yes. Oh, it's cold. Wow, it is so pretty. It's so tiny. Oh my guys, this is what I was excited the most for. Oh my god. So let's turn this baby on and that way we can compare. First let me put the strap on so like, you know, it doesn't fall. So this is the camera. Look how tiny and perfect it fits in my hand. And so let's turn this baby on. For my other camera, my battery is here. Same thing. Here. Oh, that's the wrong way. Okay. Got it. And we don't have an SD card. Oh wait, yes we do. Wow, look at that. See, that would have been a problem if I would have just got the camera and no SD card. Because then I would have been able to, like, you know, record in the same thing. So let's use this one right now. So the SD card goes right here too. It's similar to like all cameras, so it's not like super hard. Oh, it makes this cute noise. Oh my god. There's a whole bunch of like things to play with. I don't really know. I'm just putting it on camera mode. Oh no, actually I saw a YouTube video where when you put it on SCN, I don't know what that means. It does that pretty stuff that the other YouTubers have, which is like your face is like all nice and clear. It makes the background blurry and it just makes your face nice. Tee. Alright, let's start recording that way we can compare it. Oh. Oh my god, guys. So this is what it looks like on the Canon G7X. They're both Canons. Wow, this looks so... I look so good. Oh my god. This is actually... It's gonna be really hard for me not to stare into the viewfinder, and that's because for my other camera, as you can tell... Wait, I can't see. It's probably too bright. But it's sideways on the side. And for this one, it's up. Bye, I love you. Ooh, that's too close. Wow, the zoom in this thing is amazing. The battery's dying. Both camera batteries are dying. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I'm in love. I'm honestly so in love right now. Like, it's crazy. And my background is like kind of blurry. I don't know if you guys can like, I feel like the background is blurry. That's so good compared to like the other one. Like, I've always wanted that, the background to be blurry. It's just like I grew up watching YouTube videos where all the YouTubers videos are like so pretty in the back, but it's blurry, and so you're like, oh my god, like, wow. And I feel like this is it. This is literally it. And the quality is just so crisp and nice. Like, I don't look like this in real life. I am in love. Like, wow. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Like, what? This is so pretty. So this camera, the Canon G7x, also has Wi-Fi, which is such a great thing. And if you don't know what that means, like if that's confusing, Wi-Fi just simply means that you download an app. It's called the Canon Connect. It's called the Canon Connect, and you connect the camera's Wi-Fi, and you're able to download your pictures and like your videos into your phone, like right into your phone. Alright guys, so this is basically the end of the video, and I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. I'm super excited for everything, so yes, can't wait to make more videos. And remember to subscribe, hit that comment, hit that like button, you know, hit all the buttons,